We interrupt your original programming to bring you this emergency broadcast at the request of the Japanese Prime Minister and the Monarch Organization. This is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test. At around 2 a.m. this morning, the Monarch Organization deployed a submarine with 4 men aboard into the Pacific Ocean to study marine life. 2 hours into their mission, the sub's signal disappeared, and shortly after another signal was detected not too far away. The signal was later identified as Godzilla and was held responsible for the disappearance of the submarine. It has been estimated that Godzilla is heading to Tokyo, Japan. Please carry out the following instructions. Grab anything of importance to you. Get aboard a bus to an airport. Keep all family members by your side at all times. Listen to any updates. Again, this is not a test. Thank you for your time. May God bless you all.